Buzz.
Hey, Goose, we're on our way to see the giant.
The giant? What for?
Well, Donald traded Boo Boo Chicken to the giant for 5 beans.
You traded cute little sweet little Boo Boo Chicken for a bunch of beans?
Yeah, I did.
But we're gonna get him back.
Gorge. The giant lives all the way up in a big barn in the clouds. How are we gonna get up there?
There must be something we can use to climb up to the clouds.
Not these beans, that's for sure. They're useless.
Say, do you see anything we can use to climb up to the clouds? Where? Behind us? Hot dog! Donald, you were right! Those beans were magic. Look, they turned into a giant beanstalk.
Gorge. And it's reaching all the way up to the clouds.
Boo Boo Chicken! You're silly. We'll never climb this beanstalk.
Sure we can. All we have to do is figure out the pattern of the branches. The pattern is little, little, big.
Little, little, big.
Little, big.
Right. Okay, everybody. Say the pattern with us while we climb. Here we go.
Little, big. Little, big. Little, big.
Oh, we're almost at the top. Say it 2 more times.
Little, big. Little, big.
Oh no, the beanstalk is breaking.
What?
The beanstalk's beaning. I mean, the beanstalk's breaking.